Kusuzangpo and hello to everyone. Today is very special day for we Bhutanese people because it's very auspicious day and that is Place Rainy Day. So I want to wish all the Bhutanese people a happy Place Rainy Day.
Happy Place Rainy Day.
Happy Place Rainy Day to everyone.
Tost, tost.
제법 다시들래. 넣었으면 제법이요. 제법. Nggak digotong na malam eh. Number 5. Yallah. Number 6. Number 6 sih macam ni. Macam ni apa sih? ना गुतो ने दी मालूम है तू का सुना चाहती वो तो चीज होतीगा केवी ना छुदा लोग दे मैं छुनी लोग दे हैप्पी से
알루미 가면 돼.
Bubu, hey Bubu, what are you doing? Zahi,
Why you serious?
Achu, that's jamme.
Water play Bubu, let's meet you. You don't want to play. Games in there.
루 자지 너의 부부다 봄주. 나는 좋아해서.
And stop that music. Whoever gets that ball will get the water.
부부.
What you got it? Bubu, heading ya.
Rule de 했잖아 지금. One pass.
Just pass the bunny. Yeah, and if we think about the music off until the ball
Pass the ball.
저한테 볼 날이었지 처음에는 운이 미고 나만 나다 그래 나도 좋아해
밖에 숨숨 섞이면 밖에 숨숨. 네. Lars ga out maar met die winnaar niet mee. Ja. Kan niet meer met jullie. Kon niet koza, kon niet chumalı bak. Kon niet chumalı koza. Ya tu bu dise. Bu cumi. Oy, 좀 좀. 아니 나도 이제 어디니 왜? 땡큐. 와, 지루한. 알았어요. 야. 땀이네 누구? 밑에 보고 게임 있어 게임. Where are you, 부부? 부부. 저 있어 게임. 맘에 레이지. 쭉. 나이스. 좀 마지막 힘이 들어가 돼. 누구 이 통네. Music 가면 근데 딱 이미 주니. 이게 기존. 나스리. 마지막 그거.
Open your eyes, If you take care of nature, nature will take care of us. With love, family. Thank you.
Open the nature of
Give him the surprise.
Now you guys must be wondering why we are playing water game like a baby. Yeah, so you must be wondering like, are you guys crazy? No, we are not. So let me talk about the Blessed Rainy Day. Let me tell the short definition, my point of view of Blessed Rainy Day. Not my point of view, but the Bhutanese point of view of Blessed Rainy Day. So according to our Bhutanese belief, we consider that the water on the earth is considered as very pure and holy on this particular day, Blessed Rainy Day. So we believe that the water will cleanse all our negativity, bad karma, sin, and disease, of course. So for that reason, we play this water game to worship how important the water is.
아니 매워 저거.
What are you doing?
Drying myself.
You're drying yourself? How do you feel about today?
Bad.
Bad? It's good. This rain is all blessed by God. You know that?
No.
And this blessed rainy day.
I thought it was there was a pool, but it was not a pool.
Oh my God! How can there be pool at your home? But the water is blessed by the God. That's why it's very nice. It will wash away all your pain, suffering, sin, and you will be more brilliant. Okay, boo boo.
Wait, I'm gonna.
Uy, nakuha kami tulis. Bye, Bandi.
Now we're done with the water game and I came to get my change to get ready for the lunch, special lunch, so I'm very excited for the lunch. Special lunch for the blessed rainy day, and I felt like I am celebrating this at my home country because everything tastes like Bhutanese homemade food, especially the red rice, emadasi, paneer curry and egg. That's it. It was really nice, and thank you to my brother and sister for always feeding us. And yeah, we are always thankful for what you guys have done for us. This is the end of our day and end of the blessed rainy day celebration first day. So I hope you guys have also enjoyed your blessed rainy day celebration with your loved ones. So yeah, thank you for watching.